Hi, Chris back here. What I'm going to do is draw this in 3D now instead of an isometric. So I go to line, excuse me, pick on the screen, move the mouse down, type in 50, enter, move the mouse to the right, type in 560 because the beam's 560 long, hit enter, move the mouse straight up, type in 50, enter, enter. So now draw a line from the midpoint, plumb up 100, enter, then move the mouse to the right 50, enter, and then what I'm going to do is pick on the endpoint, hit enter. So rather than redraw that line, I'm going to use one called mirror. So I pick on mirror and it creates a mirrored copy of selected objects. So I pick on the mirror command, and in the command line it says mirror select the object. So I pick on that object. See how it's slightly blue now? Pick on that object. It's found two, so I go enter. First point of mirror line. What I'll do is I'll go to the end point there, and then I'll move the mouse straight up. See how it's ghosted that mirror. So then I pick as a second point of the mirror line, and then it asks me, do I want to delete the source objects, yes or no? So I can either type an M for no, but N is already in there, so I can just hit enter and then hit escape to get out of mirror, and there's our beam mirrored. So then what I'm going to do is erase that center line, enter, and these individual lines here, what I'm going to do is join them together. So I type in join, and then I'm going to come to the right and up, pick, drag the mouse, and I'm controlling the bottom left hand edge of that green box. Pick on that, see it's found 7, I hit enter. Now when I hover over it, it's only 1. So what I want to do is I want to come to visualize, and in the views I want to go to southwest isometric. Just pan this over a bit. Now you'll notice in this that the beam's actually laying down, so what I'm going to do is 3D rotate. So at the command line I type in 3D rotate, and you'll use this command a lot to rotate objects in 3D. So I select the object, hit enter, and you'll see this rotate gizmo comes up. It wants to know base point, so I pick on that middle part, and then it wants to pick a rotation, and I want to rotate around the X, which is a red, so I pick on that, and the rotation angle is 90, so I type in 90 and hit enter, and see how it's rotated that around. And now if I go to my 3D tools and pick on extrude, it says select the objects to extrude, so I select on that box, hit enter, move the mouse to the left 100, type in 100, or move the mouse to the left, type in 100, hit enter, escape, and now when I go rotate or orbit, you'll see the difference between the 3D box and the isometric view.